What's the new YouTube collaboration feature? YouTube is rolling out a feature that allows creators to add collaborators on a video. The idea is that a video can be shared across the collaborators' audiences, not just the uploader's audience. Up to 5 collaborators can be added to one video. The revenue adds, monetization still goes to the channel that uploads the video for now. When the feature is active, collaborators' names and channel avatars can appear alongside the video title or within the video metadata to give credit. The video is or will be recommended to each collaborator's audience, increasing potential reach. How to use it when it's enabled for you. 1. In YouTube Studio, when uploading or editing a video, there will be an option to add collaborators. 2. You invite the collaborators and they must accept the collaboration. 3. Once accepted, the video shows up in all collaborators' channels in terms of visibility to their audiences but remains uploaded under one channel. 4. Collaborator names, avatar displays may show in the title or under the video as co-creators or similar. Benefits and considerations. Benefits: more reach. Your video can appear to audiences of all collaborators. Better visibility and credit. Collaborators are credited explicitly rather than just being mentioned in description. Simpler workflow. No need for each creator to upload separately or swap files. Considerations. Current limitations. Not all creators have access yet. It's being rolled out gradually. The uploader currently gets all revenue, i.e. no auto revenue splitting. On certain devices, e.g. connected TVs, only the main uploader may appear in previews. Discovery for smaller collaborators may be limited initially since recommendation algorithms might still favor the main uploader.